Federal agents charged a 21-year-old Air National Guardsman today. He's accused of retaining and transmitting classified documents and key national defense information in what some U.S. officials have called the worst leak in decades. Jack Teixeira was in court in Massachusetts in handcuffs and a prison jumpsuit. Madeline Rivera reports from Washington.
One day after his arrest at his mother's home in Massachusetts, 21-year-old Jack Teixeira, an Air National Guardsman, heads to federal court Friday. He faces charges for allegedly leaking some of the military's most sensitive secrets online.
I don't even know why the commander of the Air Wing would have access to this, much less as somebody that's providing technology support.
Teixeira specialized in IT. He held the highest level security clearance before he was arrested. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin is now directing his department to conduct an intelligence access review.
This was a deliberate criminal act.
The Washington Post spoke with members of the chat room where the documents were leaked. One of them says the suspect didn't appear to have an ideological motive.
I don't think that there was a goal nor some sort of accomplishment that he was looking for in sharing these documents.
At least one Republican, though, is defending the leaker. Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene said on Twitter, Jake Teixeira is white, male, Christian, and anti-war. That makes him an enemy to the Biden regime. But most lawmakers have been denouncing the leak, which included information about the war in Ukraine and intelligence about the United States partners and adversaries.
There ought to be bipartisan condemnation for what this young man did.
It's unclear if others may have been involved in the leak. The Pentagon says the investigation is continuing. In Washington, Madeline Rivera, Fox News.